Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify siding and windows costs with HomeAdvisor, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify siding and windows costs with HomeAdvisor, start by opening your web browser. Type in the HomeAdvisor website URL in the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Type siding or windows into the search bar, depending on your project focus. Press enter to view the search results related to your query. On the results page, select the specific type of siding or windows you're interested in. Use the filters available on the left-hand side to refine your search. You can choose specific materials, styles, or project sizes to narrow down your options. After applying the filters, browse through the list of contractors and companies that appear. Click on a contractor that catches your eye to read more about their services. Take note of the average costs provided for both siding and window installations. Check for customer reviews and ratings to gauge the contractor's reliability. To obtain precise pricing, look for the option to request quotes directly from contractors. Fill out the necessary information in the form provided. Include details about your project, such as dimensions and preferred materials. Submit the form and wait for responses from contractors. Compare the quotes you received to determine the average pricing. If you want a clearer perspective, check HomeAdvisor's cost guide. This guide offers a breakdown of average costs in your area. It's also useful to understand regional price differences for siding and windows. Once you have gathered sufficient information, analyze the data. Consider factors like warranty, installation time, and customer service. This will help you make an informed decision for your project. Remember to keep a personal record of all quotes and information for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.